A bustling cityscape, right? Millions of people going about their day, completely unaware of the invisible forces shaping their reality. We see a hand swipe across a smartphone screen, a metro card tapped at a turnstile, a GPS guiding someone through a maze of streets. Each action powered by technology, rooted in the mind-bending world of quantum physics. Quantum physics might sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but did you know it plays a vital role in our everyday lives? From the devices we use to the technology that keeps us connected, quantum science is all around us. So, get ready to unlock the hidden science around you. In this video, we'll show you how quantum physics shapes your daily life without you even realizing it. Let's start with something I'm sure you're quite familiar with, your smartphone. This little gadget has become an extension of ourselves, hasn't it? We rely on it for communication, information, entertainment. But have you ever stopped to think about the science that makes it all possible? Deep within the heart of your smartphone lies a technological marvel, the microchip. These chips are packed with billions of tiny transistors, microscopic gates that control the flow of electricity, processing information at incredible speeds. And guess what? These transistors, the very heart of your smartphone, rely on the principles of quantum mechanics to function. In semiconductors, the materials used to make transistors, quantum mechanics allows us to control the flow of electrons with incredible precision, switching them on and off billions of times per second. This precise control of electrons is what allows your phone to process information, run apps, and connect you to the digital world. Remember those sleek touchscreens that respond to your every tap and swipe? They rely on a mind-boggling quantum phenomenon called quantum tunneling. In touchscreens, this tunneling effect allows electrons to flow between layers of the screen when you touch it. This flow of electrons is detected by sensors, which then tell your phone where you touched. So, every time you tap that screen, remember, you're witnessing quantum mechanics in action. Have you ever used GPS to find your way? Of course you have. We all have. GPS accuracy is thanks to atomic clocks governed by quantum physics. Satellites with atomic clocks orbit Earth, sending precise time signals. These clocks use atomic energy transitions to measure time accurately. Electrons emit photons at specific frequencies when they change energy levels. Atomic clocks use these frequencies to measure time. They lose less than a second every 100 million years. GPS receivers triangulate your position using these time signals. Even a tiny error in time measurement could cause location errors. So, next time you use GPS, remember the atomic clocks behind it. Okay, let's talk about your daily commute. Whether you're hopping on the subway, swiping your credit card for a quick coffee, or dreaming of futuristic transportation, quantum physics is there, quietly at work, making it all possible. Ever used a contactless payment card? Those cards use a technology called RFID, or radio frequency identification, which relies on electromagnetic fields to transmit data wirelessly. The chips inside RFID tags and readers contain tiny antennas that emit and receive radio waves. These radio waves are generated by the movement of electrons within the antenna, a process governed by the laws of quantum mechanics. Let's talk about the future of transportation: maglev trains. You know those futuristic trains you've seen in movies gliding effortlessly above the track? No friction, no noise, just pure speed. Those maglev trains rely on a fascinating quantum phenomenon called superconductivity. At extremely low temperatures, certain materials lose all electrical resistance, allowing electrons to flow through them with zero loss of energy. Maglev trains use superconducting magnets to create powerful magnetic fields that levitate the train above the track and propel it forward with incredible speed and efficiency. These trains are still under development, but they hold the promise of revolutionizing transportation, making it faster, smoother, and more energy efficient, all thanks to the wonders of quantum physics. So, the next time you tap your Metro card or dream of a future with frictionless travel, remember the unseen forces of quantum physics, making it all possible. Alright, let's move from your commute to a place we're all familiar with, the kitchen. Even in this culinary haven, quantum physics is hard at work. Let's start with an appliance no kitchen should be without, the microwave. It uses microwaves to heat food by making water molecules rotate rapidly. This generates friction, which heats your food. Now let's talk about LED lights. LEDs are energy efficient and long-lasting. They work by electrons jumping between energy levels, emitting photons. The color depends on the semiconductor material used. Let's shift gears now and talk about a field where quantum physics is making a profound impact: healthcare. From diagnosing illnesses to treating diseases, quantum mechanics is revolutionizing medicine. One of the most important diagnostic tools is the MRI machine. MRI, or magnetic resonance imaging, creates detailed images of our organs and tissues. This technology is based on the quantum properties of atoms. Our bodies are made up of billions of atoms, each with a nucleus of protons and neutrons. Protons possess a quantum property called spin, like a tiny magnetic field. In an MRI machine, a strong magnetic field aligns these protons. Radio waves pulse through the body, tilting the protons. As protons realign, they emit signals detected by MRI sensors. Computers analyze these signals to create detailed images. Quantum physics also transforms how we treat diseases. Radiation therapy uses high-energy radiation to destroy cancer cells. Traditional radiation therapy can damage healthy tissues. New radiation therapies are more targeted and precise. Scientists are developing therapies using beams of particles like protons. These beams deposit energy precisely within the tumor, minimizing damage to healthy tissues. In today's digital age, data security is more important than ever. Our lives are increasingly intertwined with the digital world. The need to protect our data from cyber threats becomes paramount. So, how does quantum physics fit into all of this? Quantum principles can create ultra-secure communication systems. This is where quantum cryptography comes in. Classical encryption uses a secret key to encrypt messages. However, classical methods are vulnerable to hacking. Quantum cryptography uses quantum mechanics for unbreakable keys. One key concept is quantum entanglement. Entangled particles share the same fate no matter the distance. Measuring one instantly reveals the state of the other. Entangled photons create secret keys in quantum cryptography. Any interception disturbs their state, alerting the parties. Quantum cryptography promises revolutionary data security. As we've seen, quantum physics is already shaping our daily lives in profound ways, from the smartphones in our pockets to the medical technologies that keep us healthy. But the future of quantum mechanics is even more exciting. With the potential to revolutionize fields as diverse as computing materials science and our understanding of the universe itself. One of the most highly anticipated quantum technologies is the quantum computer. Unlike classical computers which store information as bits, either a 0 or a 1, quantum computers use qubits. Qubits leverage the strangeness of quantum mechanics, allowing them to exist in a superposition, a state where they can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously. This mind-bending ability allows quantum computers to perform calculations exponentially faster than classical computers for certain types of problems. Imagine a computer that could solve problems in seconds that would take classical computers billions of years to crack. That's the promise of quantum computing. From developing new drugs and materials to breaking the encryption that protects our online data, quantum computers have the potential to revolutionize countless industries. Another exciting area of development is quantum sensing. Quantum sensors take advantage of the extreme sensitivity of quantum systems to their environment. These sensors can detect minute changes in magnetic fields, gravity, and time with unprecedented accuracy. Imagine sensors so sensitive that they could detect the faintest tremors deep within the Earth, warning us of impending earthquakes. Or sensors that could map the human brain with incredible detail, unlocking the secrets of consciousness. The possibilities with quantum sensing are truly limitless. By now, you're probably wondering, this quantum world sounds fascinating, but is it something I can explore and understand, even if I'm not a scientist? And the answer is a resounding yes. You don't need a particle accelerator or a PhD in physics to experience the wonders of quantum mechanics. There are simple experiments you can do at home using everyday objects to witness quantum phenomena firsthand. For example, have you ever played with polarized sunglasses? Those sunglasses use a special film that only allows light waves vibrating in a particular direction to pass through. When you rotate two polarizing filters, you'll notice that the amount of light passing through them changes. This is a demonstration of a fundamental quantum property of light called polarization. Or how about those glow-in-the-dark toys? They work because of a quantum phenomenon called phosphorescence. When you expose these toys to light, they absorb energy and their electrons jump to higher energy levels. When you turn off the lights, these excited electrons slowly release their stored energy as light, causing the toy to glow. If you want to delve deeper into the quantum realm, there are countless online resources available, from interactive simulations to engaging video lectures. Websites like Khan Academy, MIT OpenCourseWare, and even YouTube channels like this one offer a wealth of information on quantum mechanics, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a thirst for knowledge. So, don't be afraid to dive into the quantum world. It's a fascinating, mind-bending realm, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one to make the next groundbreaking discovery. Outrow quantum science in action. So the next time you use your phone, navigate with GPS, or even turn on a light, remember, quantum physics is working behind the scenes. From the tiniest particles to the most complex technologies, quantum mechanics shapes our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. What excites you most about the quantum-powered world? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the science shaping your life.